Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first map with the iRobot Roomba Plus 505. If you're interested in the 505, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're in the iRobot home app. We're in the robot section. It's the second icon in the bottom left corner. So it's got the little robot. So we want to enter into our Roomba Plus 505. So we're going to select that. And you should see create a map. There's a black button, so we can press that to create our map. If you don't see that, exit out, go back into the app. You might need to do that a couple of times if you just set it up, but you should have that button there. If you don't, no worries. Bottom left-hand corner, first icon from the left is the My Home button. So ours says right here, the Roomba Plus 505 is ready to create its first map. So we can hit that big black button to create a map. Or if you don't see it, down at the very bottom, we can add a new space, and then you can choose your robot that way. So let's go ahead. Let's create a map. Here's what to expect. So make sure that it's all set and ready to go, that your environment is properly prepped. So doors open or closed, depending on if you want those rooms mapped. Tidy things up as well, too. So at this stage, I'm going to go move this to get it exactly where we want it, and then we'll select that next button. So I have it positioned. We're going to select next. They have your prep instructions again. We're all good, ready to go. So now we'll select create a map. Now it's working on creating a map. It'll take a couple of minutes to drive around depending on the size of your house. Give it 5 or 10 minutes to create your map. All right, it took less than 10 minutes for us, and now with it back at the station, our map is populated, and we have this option here to edit the map or save the map. Looking at everything right now, that looks good. Now, I want to point out room 4 is actually a stairwell. So that's fine though. So we can edit it or save it. I'm just going to save it right now. And then we can go ahead, we could do our first clean. And here we are with our map populated. They have your prep here for the first cleaning routine, but let's just go back here. I want to spend another minute looking at the map itself. We have a pencil icon, top right-hand corner. Now we can edit the map, edit rooms. We can add clean zones. We can add or edit furniture. We can add keep out zones. We can rename the map, rotate the map, or delete the map. But yeah, simple, straightforward to get your map created. It's fast and efficient, especially if you've used previous older Roombas like the I, the J, or the 600 series. Or I should say the I and the J series. They take a lot longer to map your home than the new 400, 500, 100 series Roombas do.